Once Randy receives your bezel, he completely disassembles it and marks any imperfections that need to be addressed before the process begins. Once that's done, he goes through a 5-step sanding process in order to remove the original finish. After that's done, he then buffs it to a mere shine. Once that's done, he reapplies the original swirl style finish with a laser guided machine. Once the bezel has its new finish, it's then reassembled with the other restored trim pieces.